Week 5, today is Sunday. Season 4 Episode 3. Boris wants a new washing machine. Old washing machine is broken / Doris got rewarded. Enjoy the show.
Oh no! My washing machine. It's broken. Come upstairs. Doris.
What is it, Boris?
My washing machine is broken.
Oh no. I need to buy it. When Doris buy a new washing machine.
Yes! You got a new washing machine. You are rewarded.
Like, subscribe, turn on post notification, and comment down below. And share this video, coming back Season 4 Episode 4. Thanks for watching.